Go ahead.
I'm gonna copy Nelly. Hey guys.
It's okay. She said. So we're now here in Kauai. Leaving airport now. Lihei Airport, going to our car rental. Hopefully we find another Jeep, like 4-door Jeep. And she want a red this time.
I want a red one.
I want a yellow or a purple, but she said she hates purple. We'll see. So they ran out of Jeep, but they said they're gonna drop it up to our cottage tomorrow.
We don't have a Jeep
'Cause we
until tomorrow.
don't have a Jeep until tomorrow, but I'm okay with the Elantra. I miss my Elantra.
One eternity later.
So this is our home for the next 4 days. So as you can see here, I don't know what kind of plant is this or flower is this. It's beautiful. This is our car for 1 day, and then they're gonna replace that tomorrow with a Jeep because that's what we want and that's what we rented. But they have none available earlier, so we had to use this first just to get here. So we finally made it here at Waimea plantation where we're staying for 4 days. Right now we're just chilling by the beach. Look at my wife right there. The cottage right there. So we got the ocean in view. Just out here chilling, taking some photos. Just right there taking a picture of me. See? She said I have to relax. I'm relaxed.
Tomorrow.
So we're back to driving a Jeep. There's more hiking for today. So we prepared a Jeep than a regular car. So we finally got here at Pu'u'okila lookout, the highest lookout here in Waimea. And then after this we're going to 2 more lookouts, just like down here. I think it's Koki'i lookout and Waimea lookout. So we had a successful photography here at Pu'u'okila. And then right now we're going to another lookout just 10 minutes away from here. I think it's Ki'ika or something. I'll put description below. And then after that we're going to my Waimea Canyon. That's the last lookout, and then we're going back to the cottage, probably eat some lunch and get ready for the beach. So we are now on our next stop, the Kalala'u lookout, but it's so foggy I don't think we can see something here. So there's really nothing to see here because it's too foggy here. So we're going to our last stop, Waimea Canyon. It's like 20 minutes away from here. Going down though, so it's on the way. Again, Kalalau lookout. Good spot to picnic and stuff. There's a lot of people waiting for the fog to come away, but I don't think it's gonna be, or it's gonna take a while at least.
A little later.
Was the Waimea Canyon, but we're still going to Waimea Canyon lookout. That was just the view that we found.
Along the highway.
Yeah, along the highway. So, and we see a guy right there. He's droning. I don't think his drone is gonna return because there's a lot of choppers around.
You're so mean.
That's why I didn't risk mine. I feel bad for that guy's drone. Again, research before you fly.
Really? Coming from you?
Which one is ours? Babs, which one is ours? Oh, that one. Let's look, there's 3 of them.
15 minutes later.
Aloha guys.
Aloha.
What do you guys know? We got nice pineapple, mango just came back in season, peak season strawberry papaya, coconut and sugar cane for fresh.
I'll take papaya.
Thank you. Have a beautiful day.
Yes, well. Thank you. Just taking a break. So I got fresh mango and she got fresh papaya.
So sweet.
This is Waimea Canyon.
The Grand Canyon of the Pacific.
Yeah,
But it's a different one.
that's the same falls.
But it looks smaller. No,
Hmm?
there's 2 falls in there.
Ah, that's the same falls. Only one falls.
Baby fall lang.
Okay.
So comment below if there's another falls here in Waimea Canyon. She's always right. Always. We had a better view than this. We were closer. We were closer to the falls, so, or fall.
To the waterfall.
Yeah, we were closer to the waterfalls. So that was good. Because we started from top to bottom. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I still love it. So we're just gonna go back to our cottage, probably change, get ready for Poipubeach later on. And she said she want what for dinner?
Sushi, please. Please.
She said sushi for dinner. The wife is always right. Happy wife, happy life.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Time to eat some dinner.
The next morning.
What a lazy guy. Just walking by Poipubeach. So much rock. My wife is there, but she didn't come with me because there's so much rock that you have to walk on. I'm just trying to see turtles and seals. So seal right there.
According to the locals, it's been here for 2 weeks now because one of its leg is broken.
Aww.
We can't leave.
I don't know if you can see that turtle. He's missing one of his leg, and we heard that one of the tourists cut it off. Come on, guys, why would you do that? Poor turtle. So he's been there for 2 weeks now. Can't swim, can't do anything because you know how their shell is really heavy. Poor turtle.
A few inches later. The following day.
Sa highlights, kailangan ko ng mga
Ano ba
effect.
yan? Hindi mo sinasara yung bag mo. Nalagyan ka lang ng laman. ganda.
The next day,
So we're now here at Luau Kalamaki. Just waiting for the show to start. And we are finally gonna witness the luau.
To witness the Polynesian dances and culture.
What she said.